This is the only hands-on course for attorneys who handle trucking cases in the United States. And there's no substitute for hands-on experience, even limited experience. There is no way that someone can read the regulations, file lawsuits, take depositions, and still get the appreciation and understanding that a course like this represents. You actually sit behind the wheel, in the driver's seat, looking at the dash, out the windshield, the same way that an 18-wheeler driver does. It gives you a better understanding and knowledge base when you take your next deposition. You have a better understanding and appreciation of everything that's involved in what led to whatever the event was. This includes lack of training, lack of qualifications, distraction, speed, any number of things, but whatever it is, hands-on experience from the only hands-on course like this in the entire United States gives you a deeper insight and a better understanding, and therefore it's invaluable because you'll go into the case better prepared with better insight and more knowledge than the other side. The instructors here are all not only knowledgeable and experienced, but they're very patient. They understand that the people attending this hands-on course are attorneys. They're not professional truck drivers, but yet they share their knowledge and experience with us. So we get that understanding and we get an insight. We learn better from people who have all of this knowledge and experience and understanding of being a professional truck driver that they share with us. So it's a good group. It's not intimidating at all. They're instructive, but yet patient with us. And that means a lot. Well, so far, let's put it this way. I don't think that many motor carriers would be interested in hiring me tomorrow. I grounded and grinded my share of gear shifts. I killed a couple of cones on the parking lot, but nevertheless, I came away feeling like I had been through a new experience with a lot more knowledge, more insight, and a better understanding of the type of cases that I handle, the type of investigation that's needed, and what I do in preparing a trucking case. Anyone who handles trucking cases should definitely take this course. You can go to any number of conferences, you can hear any number of presentations about the regulations and about depositions, but there is nothing to substitute for the on-hands experience that this course represents, and it's the only course of its type in the entire country. So if you are really handling trucking cases and you really want to do the best job possible for your clients, you will take this course.